5 foods that melt fat. Vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, kale, peppers, and cauliflower are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full while keeping your calorie intake. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They are also relatively low in calories and high in water content, making them a satisfying and nutritious choice for weight loss. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which gives them their spicy flavor. Capsaicin has been shown to have a thermogenic effect, meaning it can temporarily increase metabolism and fat burning. Lean proteins. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes are rich in protein, which can help increase satiety and support muscle growth and repair. Ginger. Ginger has an effective effect on metabolism and burning fat.